This is the large brain model. What we're seeing here is the central sulcus, and anterior to it, this is the precentral gyrus. Posterior to it is the postcentral gyrus. And over here we have our lateral sulcus. This will be the cerebrum. This here the left cerebral hemisphere. This here the right cerebral hemisphere. And we have the cerebellum, the left cerebellar hemisphere, the right cerebellar hemisphere. And what will divide the cerebellar hemispheres will be the vermis. And we can take it apart, to which we can see the sagittal sections. So over here, this is the corpus callosum. Here is the cingulate gyrus. Over here is showing the septum pellucidum. If we puncture it, we get into the lateral ventricle. In here is actually showing the deep lobe called the insula. And we have over here the egg-shaped thalamus. Egg-shaped thalamus. This in the middle is the glue called the intermediate mass or interthalamic adhesion. And in here will be the third ventricle. And this is the hypothalamus. And over here is our optic chiasma. This is the mammillary body. And this part here is the midbrain, and dorsally we have the colliculi. Up here is superior colliculus, down here inferior colliculus. And we have the cerebral aqueduct that will connect the third ventricle to the fourth ventricle. And over here we're looking at the sagittal section of the cerebellum, the arbor vitae, white matter. And out here we have the cerebellar cortex. And at this location we are looking at the pons, and then we get to the medulla oblongata and the spinal cord. And over here we have this choroid plexus here that is going to be on top of the third ventricle, and this location will be where we will find the pineal gland. And again, superior colliculus, inferior colliculus. And we are